guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl Purple and baby. Guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up before we even get into it, y'all. Go ahead and do that though. So I was originally going to make a different upload today, but when I pulled up on my driveway and I saw a box, I'm like, I didn't order anything, but I got this box. It's a baby registry box from Amazon. I have not yet opened it yet. It says this side up. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna open it with my family. So I have my knife here, so we're gonna see what's in the box. I'm assuming that this is the baby registry welcome box that you get from Amazon when you make your baby registry, which I will be sharing my registry with you guys after the gender reveal. So let's see what's in the box. So it looks like this when I opened it. We have some papers here, and it looks like a bag that I can just pull out like this. So we're gonna go through it and see what Amazon sent you, girl, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, so these are just some advertisements, possibly about what's in the bag. So we'll set those to the side. The first item I'm pulling out of the bag, it says a gift for you and your little one. And it feels like a bottle in there. And it says a natural bottle. Wish there was a list of what was in here. So that is a bottle in there. I'm not gonna open it all the way because I'm just not. The next thing, oh, it's a Swaddler Blanket. So the baby has its first swaddle blanket, guys, and it has zebras on it. I wonder if I can open it. I'll open this because I'm gonna wash all the stuff before the baby gets it anyways. And it's white with zebras on it. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And it does give you directions on the box on how to swaddle, because y'all, guess what? Your girl Purple don't know how to swaddle no baby. She don't know how to do that. She does not. So she'll be reading the directions and going step by step. Or maybe some of my family members here could help me teach me how to swaddle. Now there are some parenting classes that I may get the opportunity to take, and swaddling is part of that class. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I will be able to record there or not, but if I am, I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you can see just how I start out and how I end up with the whole parenting class and all that. And what do we have here? These are 3 of the same things. They're called water wipes. And it says for the most delicate skin, baby water wipes. So that is going to be very handy for my baby bag for the little one. I don't know how many are in the pack because the packs look kind of small, but they're kind of heavy though. I'm nosy. Oh, there are 10 wipes in each one. And they're hypoallergenic, and it's just 2 ingredients. It says no fragrance, no artificial ingredients or any of that stuff. So that's a good thing. I'm liking that. I'm liking the fact that this is all natural. So I'm good with that. And we have 3 of those. Let's see what else is in the bag. What is this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Breastfeeding starter pack. Yeah, no milk transfer, no dirty dishes, no air in your baby's meal. It says pump, store, and feed. I'm still on the fence on whether I'm going to breastfeed or formula feed or do a combination of the two. So comment below and let me know what you've done and what you, of course, you know, everybody knows that, you know, breastfeeding is more natural and probably best for the baby. But being the fact that I work full time, it may be a big inconvenience. So give me some suggestions below. I'll appreciate all suggestions. The next item we have is, it says Prenatal Formula. Oh, these are some energy tablets for me, which I will not be consuming. Cause y'all, we're not even finna get into that. The next thing I see, it says Sip Hooray. And it is a water enhancer. No artificial sweeteners, and it's plant-based with 4 electrolytes in it. I guess this is for the mom that doesn't like to drink water, guys. I'm drinking about 5 to 7 bottles of water a day. So I'm pretty good with my water intake. Some days I drink more than that. And the last 2 items in the bag. Diaper rash cream. I'm definitely going to need that. So that is going to be one of the staples in the baby's bag, along with the water wipes. And the last item I see here, there are 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be breastfeeding. I'm not sure if I'm going to need those nursing pads or not. That's a whole nother story. So we're going to look into the nursing thing a little bit more. So that is the baby registry welcome bag that I got from Amazon. So thank you, Amazon, for that. And again, guys, I will be disclosing my baby registry to everybody if you'd like to participate in that. Wait a minute. There's something else in here? Oh, there was something else in there. Let's see, what is this? Looks like a baby onesie or something. Let's open it up and see what it is. I will be disclosing that information with the gender reveal. I'm trying to coordinate my gender reveal. I would like for my brothers to do it for me. Oh, it is. It is a baby onesie. And it has little animals on it. There's an elephant, a lion, and a hippo. And it's in the size 3 to 6 months. So the baby will get a chance to wear this, I'm sure. Because you can't have enough of these things now. I know about that. And that came from Carter's. It's called Simple Joys by Carter's. So this little welcome bag was really nice. Comment below, guys, and let me know what you thought about the Amazon gift registry, baby registry welcome bag, and tell me your thoughts on that. If there's any of these items that you've used that you think is good or bad, or you have any opinions on anything, let me know. I know a couple people wanted to know how far along I am. That will also be disclosed at the time of the gender reveal. And if you have any other things that you guys want to see me do while I'm preggo, let me know. Because I'm up for it, guys. I'm up for it. I'm looking to have the best experience I can with this baby. So guys, go ahead and drop your comments below. Share the video. If you know somebody that is not part of the family that may enjoy hanging out and seeing your girl Purple and her pregnancy and what I got going on, and see me evolving into a mom, then go ahead and share the video so that they can become part of the team and we can grow together, guys, and you guys get to meet little baby A. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, so I can't say what we're gonna call him. We're just gonna call him or her the baby. So comment below and give me some suggestions. Drop some names, guys. Give me a girl and a boy name so that I can start my thinking cap of what I would name the little one. Later, guys.